If you're selling real estate 25 years ago, typically the customer worked with you as a sales associate. You showed them a few homes and then asked them where they banked. And typically they banked at a savings and loan. And that's how that customer typically got their mortgage. Now today, with the proliferation of online lending, LendingTree leading the pack in that area, and other changes in the mortgage business, consumers now today are well aware of their credit score. They're familiar with loan products. They know the difference between a fixed rate and an ARM. They're tremendously more educated. With that, all that information coming at them, there's tremendous opportunities for them to wander away. If you're working with that customer, it's very easy for them to connect with another lender or a real estate company and move forward on a transaction. It seems to be whoever happens to be standing there at the moment the customer is ready captures the customer. So what we wanted to talk about is corralling that customer so they don't wander away. And one of the great ways to do that is to make sure that our lenders who are working with that customer are able to deliver them confidently to a broker partner so that that broker partner and the lender can work together to complete the customer's transaction. So if the customer says to the lender, geez, I'm not seeing the homes that I thought I was going to see, our lender partner can share that with our real estate broker, and broker can make sure they're communicating with the customer properly on what's available and what they can afford. And if that customer says to the real estate company, geez, I'm talking with this lender about this loan and I have this type of question, I'm not sure I'm making the right decision, then our real estate partner can share that information with the loan officer, and that loan officer can make sure and clarify the issue or the question that the customer happens to have.
The LendingTree lead itself is the best of the best. It's the creme de la creme of leads. It's almost a fully baked 1003. It makes it very easy to base a decision, to get a hold of the consumer, and to be honest, it's one of the favorite lead sources of my loan officers for those reasons. Very simple to use. But even beyond all that, it's one of the most cost-effective lead source there is.
You can get more done on the internet through these channels, whether they be the LendingTree lender network or the realestate.com network. We can manage more business electronically than we could if we were out, prospecting on our own. So to have these customers delivered to us, pre-qualified, at least down to the point where they want to be contacted, they don't have their own representation, those tend to, be some of the better leads that we come across.
Loan officer starts here, they go through a 2.5, 3 week training course. And one of the emphasis in that training course with a gentleman by the name of Rick Williams is realty services. We really stress the importance of how effective and how efficient realty services can be.
When realtors and lenders partner together, they enjoy tremendously increased conversion rates. The customer who's completing their pre-approval with a loan officer is getting tremendous input from their friends, family, and coworkers while that process is going on. And in many cases, that customer will find a real estate agent to work with while that loan officer is completing the pre-approval. As those days march on, the opportunity for the customer to wander away is tremendous. And in order for that loan officer to be successful, they need to capture the basic information, confirm they have a customer that is going to be able to purchase a home, and deliver that lead to the real estate partner.
The way that we present realtors on the network at the point of sale is one that, hey, we're going to hook you up with a professional realtor who's seasoned, who knows your area intimately.
We will encourage the customer, our agents will encourage the customer to use the lender who delivered the business to us. And if there's any little hiccups that might come along or pricing issues, we will try to get that information back to the lender to make sure that the lender is well aware and can at least have an opportunity to match whatever it is that the consumer is being offered by other sources.
We're happy. We're excited. We've made more progress with the Find a Realtor program in the last 6 months than we have in the last 6 years, and that's encouraging. all along we've been doing good numbers. I see nothing but good things in our future. 1,500 applications and so on and so forth is not that far off.
I'm excited for the opportunity for our realtor partners and lender partners to enjoy those increased close rates on purchase business. The opportunity is clear when the loan officer takes control and drives the lead to the real estate partner and works with them effectively. The close rate on purchase does go up 4 to 5x, and everybody wins. So when we take control and drive the lead, rather than letting that customer wander around out there, we win. And I encourage you to get involved if you have not already done so in the Find a Realtor tool and take advantage of those increased close rates.